Khulumbai, Namaste. I am Karanjit Brahma. I am a Bodo folk artist representing Bodoland territorial region from the state of Assam. I am the proprietor of this particular instrument named Bodo Kham, a traditional Bodo drum which is mostly played by the Bodos during many occasions such like Kherai, Bwisagu and many more. This is made of a piece of wood and buffalo leather and many skins such like goat skin and buffalo leather, etc. This particular musical instrument is being used since the ancient times by our ancestors for various purposes, and here I am going to display a short demonstration about this instrument with various tunes. So hope everybody will like it. Now I am going to demonstrate it.